Hello, my name is Julian Candia. I'm with the National Institutes of Health, and the title of this poster is eNetXplorer, an R package for the quantitative exploration of elastic net families for generalized linear models. So I provide a reference of this package in the CRAN repository. So I invite anyone interested to download the package from CRAN, test it out. I would be very happy to receive any feedback on running the package. Also with the package, I made sure to provide a very detailed documentation with a very comprehensive manual and also a vignette. So I suggest anybody interested in checking out also the documentation that comes along. And also provided as a reference is the paper that was published in BMC Bioinformatics on a description of this package and some case studies that can be used as examples of its usage. So the main idea of the package is summarized in figure 1 on the poster. The basic idea is picking up on the elastic net that was implemented very nicely in the GLMnet package. That's quite popular, and the idea of the elastic net is to incorporate a mixing parameter alpha to continuously tune between ridge, regression, and lasso. So with alpha equals 0, the elastic net is equivalent to ridge regression. With alpha equal 1, the elastic net is exactly a lasso regression, but the ability to tune alpha in between 0 and 1 gives one the freedom to work with other regression models that are mixtures of ridge and lasso. So despite elastic net being a very flexible framework to work with and a very useful one, there's a number of questions that were not fully addressed by GLMnet. Specifically is how to select alpha and therefore which alpha model to choose. So in fact, that was the original motivation for us to develop this package, which is to provide a way to explore across all alpha models between 0 and 1, so what we call elastic net families, and quantitatively assess the statistical significance of different alpha models, so different levels of regularization. And once you pick one particular alpha, also to be able to assign statistical significance to different features within each alpha model, and also provide some the ability for users to look at the performance of different alpha models and different features across alpha values, so across these elastic net families. Figure 2 provides more details about the layout of the algorithm and how it was implemented. So the basic idea is to generate for each alpha value a large number of null models from shuffling the response vector or matrix provided to the model, so that the model results can be statistically compared to these null model distributions, and therefore significance to the alpha model and their corresponding features can be assigned. So as an output, after looping over a sequence of alpha values that can be selected by the user or can be by default span the full range from rich to lasso, the package provides a set of output tables and plots and the full R object with the full information of the run so that it can be used either programmatically for downstream analysis or there is a PDF report, summary report, that also allows users to, at a glance, see and explore the performance of the model across different values of alpha. So to conclude, the idea, essentially, eNetXplorer is a wrapper around GLMNet that aims to provide more functionality and hopefully make the flexibility of ElasticNet models more amenable and more usable, more useful for exploration of regularized generalized linear models. Thank you so much, and if you have any feedback, my email is provided and I will be very happy to hear from you. Thank you.